If you're looking for quick, healthy recipes that boost gut health and mental clarity, this is an easy chili relleno recipe that you could make tonight. I always start with clean ingredients and food-grade essential oils to support the gut microbiome and mental health. So let's get started. Now you could double this recipe, but I'm starting with 3 poblano, or you can use Anaheim chili peppers. Put it in the oven on broil, and you're going to broil these on both sides. Then let's go to our skillet, and with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, we're going to add 1 small diced white onion, 3 cloves minced garlic, and a half a pound ground beef or turkey. Today I am using grass-finished ground beef. Mash it up really good so that these can all cook together. Then add 2 drops of black pepper essential oil. You could do black pepper, but this is so good for digestion and immune boosting. Cover and set aside, and let's go to our chilies. They have been cooked on both sides, and now we can just easily pull all of the peelings off. So do that on both sides. And now we are going to cut them open just one side. And as we open these up, we are going to just cut the core off and remove the seeds. For some reason, they do leave the stem on most of the time. So we're going to remove the seeds of each one. Then we are going to fill them with that ground beef mixture. Plus, top it with grated cheese. Now, I do use Veal Life non-dairy cheese. It's the cleanest I've seen. Okay, now let's go to 2 bowls, one with 3 eggs and the other one with almond flour. Then we are going to, one at a time, put these chili rellenos in, and I like to spoon it over the top rather than try to turn these over so that they stay together better. Then after dipping it in the egg, we're going to dip it into the almond flour, then coat it on both sides, and it is ready to go. After we've done all of them, then we're going to put them in the skillet, fry them on one side, then turn them over very carefully to the other side. Don't these look delicious? And again, these are pretty easy to make. They don't really take a whole lot of time. Just let this make sure and cook through, and it is ready to go. I like to top them with cilantro. You could top it with other things if you would like. Anyway, it's going to be delicious. Adding essential oils to my food is a proactive choice I make every day to support my gut and brain, and it's simple. Grab my free Food Grade Essential Oils guide in the comments and get the full details so you can make more educated decisions about essential oil safety. Please ask your questions below, and thank you for watching.